Watch this video all the way through, and you'll be able to make perfect bionic butterfly wings yourself. Lay the butterfly fabric flat on the table. Secure the midpoint of each side with clear adhesive tape. Secure the four corners of the butterfly fabric with clear tape. Ensure no gaps or wrinkles exist between the fabric and the table. Finally, secure the butterfly fabric with tape at these 8 positions. This ensures the fabric stays taut throughout the gluing process. Assemble the 1.5mm and 1.2mm diameter carbon rods with the 3D printed parts. Secure the carbon rods to the printed parts with super glue. Attach the printed parts to the butterfly fabric with B7000 glue. Apply glue fully within the outline of the printed part. Position the printed part properly and press firmly against the butterfly fabric. Wipe away excess glue spilling out from the edges. Adjust the 3D printed part while the glue is still wet. Then wait 25 minutes until the glue dries before moving on. Cut the 1.5mm diameter carbon rod to the length shown in the diagram. Insert the 1.5mm diameter carbon rod into the 3D printed connector. Adjust the carbon rod position to align with the fabric pattern. Apply a thin line of glue along the carbon rod pattern to fix it in place. Squeeze out the glue as shown in the video. A small amount of glue hardens quickly. Adjust the carbon rod position promptly and weigh it down. After adjusting the carbon rods on both wings, wait 15 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Remove the weights after 15 minutes. The carbon rods will be mostly fixed in position. The bond between the carbon rods and fabric is still not strong enough at this stage. Reapply glue on both sides of the carbon rods to reinforce the bond between the carbon rods and butterfly fabric. Refer to the video for the amount of glue to squeeze out. After applying the glue, weigh down the carbon rods with weights for 45 minutes. Please complete this step promptly after 45 minutes. Otherwise, the glue will harden too much and make operation extremely difficult. Thread the 0.8mm diameter carbon rod between the existing carbon rod and the fabric at the corresponding position. Cut all 0.8mm diameter carbon rods to the appropriate length. Install the 0.8mm diameter carbon rods in the corresponding positions. Apply a small amount of glue at the positions of the 0.8mm diameter carbon rods. Then press down the carbon rods to secure them in place. This step is only to secure the carbon rods in their proper positions. The carbon rods are not yet firmly bonded to the butterfly fabric. You will need to apply glue to both sides of the carbon rods later to achieve a stronger bond. After finishing this step, please wait 15 minutes before proceeding to the next step. After 15 minutes, apply glue to both sides of all 0.8mm diameter carbon rods. Secure one end of the carbon rod with super glue. Wait 5 minutes until the carbon rod is firmly bonded to the 3D printed part before moving to the next step. First, lay the carbon rods along the pattern to check if the length is suitable. The rods must not be too long or too short. Then squeeze a small amount of glue along the pattern to secure the carbon rods in position. Once the carbon rods are placed in the correct position, weigh them down with weights immediately to prevent shifting. After 15 minutes, squeeze glue along both sides of the carbon rods to achieve better adhesion between the carbon rods and the butterfly fabric. After applying glue to both sides, keep the carbon rods weighed down for at least 40 minutes. Apply super glue into the gaps between the carbon rods and the 3D printed parts. This step reinforces the connection between the carbon rods and the 3D printed parts. After applying super glue, make sure to lay both wings flat on the table immediately. This keeps the stiffness of both wings consistent. Do not suspend the butterfly before the glue dries. Otherwise, the wings could be uneven and have different stiffness. This will make it difficult for the butterfly to maintain straight flight. Hope you all succeed in making perfect wings.